Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons, and today I want to show you how to use line flow to help your drawings. What is line flow? It grabs your eye if a line is flowing properly and makes you want to follow it so you're involved in the drawing. So we're going to start with this guy. It's just a fun little profile of this cartoon character. He's going to be facing front this way. I'll show you. I'm going to put his nose out here. And we're going to have the back of his head come out like this. Ear over here. And this is the flow line. And he's going to have a chin like this. You don't have to draw this, just follow along with the principle. He's a funny guy. But you notice that the line goes like this. It just captures what we're doing. You'll see it on the final drawing. It's not like you just see it in the construction and then don't notice it. So now I'll just add an eye slightly below the top of the nose. And I'll do this over again in marker so you can, darken it in. See, there's even a line flow here too. It goes into the hump of the back. Here is the slouching shoulder. And I will give him some glasses. I'll give a few teeth on this guy. Like that. A little eyebrow. And let's add a little more hair here in the back. Build out the back a little bit. The side view, it's easy to see the back of the head. You need to have ample hair, ample mass in the back of the head and a side view. And we'll bring this over in the front. Have the hair flop over. He's like kind of the office worker who just is completely clueless. Now, he's an easy construction, but he's fun to watch because all the lines flow in the same direction. Now let's go over this and we'll darken it in and you'll see it's kind of like a graphic design as much as it is a cartoon. Putting the eyebrow inside of the glasses to contain the expression. So I kind of lose the energy and it falls all over the place. We keep it right there so we get the most bang for our buck. We'll let the glasses float like this. Okay, here's the forehead. Here's the nose. Look at the flow here. Here we go. Straight down. A little bit of teeth. I'm going to erase it when I'm done. Erase the lines that we have right here because they're distracting. I think you'll get to see it a little better with that out. Here's that big curve inside and now curving around this way. Here is it's 4 in the afternoon slouch. That little part here where the hair pushes out over the back of the head and comes up, rises over the forehead and comes down like this, flops over. See again, keeping it all one line. It comes up and then changes angle right here, flattens out. Okay, let me just quickly get rid of some of these lines that we use to start the whole thing. And what I want you to try to notice when I finish erasing is that because we talked about this as we drew it, you can see and notice what's going on with this character visually, where you might not have gotten it before. But now it's kind of, you see, it's kind of a slinky, easy design. And you can learn more about this in my book. Here's the character. I changed him a little with a bigger nose when I did it for you, but he's the same character. Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. So it has lots of characters, lots of hints like this. Let's see what I did a little differently. Made his glasses a little different. That's pretty much it. Nose a little bigger. But it's a good starting place, and you can change everything, anything you want in this book. College professor, cute type. That's a nice, typical, teen girl. Here, turnarounds. And it's a funny thing we have here. I show you how to take one character and turn him into a different character with just a few tweaks. All right, so that's it for now. I hope you will, subscribe. I have new videos every Monday. It's been a pleasure to have you join me again today. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.